Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez and today I'm feeling slightly like a doctor. We've run out of black gloves, so I've had to go and get my doctor gloves on because I've got a couple of nails that are a bit broken and it's not something you guys want to see. So we're gonna do aerial. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get cracking. So I've already applied a layer of sugar cookie, which I said before as well. I think it's one of the best colors when it comes to character work for skin tone. So I've applied one layer, a thin one, and I'm going in with the second one just so I can get a nice opaque background for this. So I've got my second layer cured, and now I'm going to go ahead and pick up some Friar's Robe on my 002 brush, and I'm going to outline aerial. So we are going to start mapping out the shape of a kind of mirrored number 3, just like so. It's not a very prominent number 3, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna start doing the chin over here. She's got quite a triangular kind of face. And I'm gonna just continue the forehead slightly more because she's got a big one. I'm gonna start with mapping out the nose now. So I'm just gonna mimic this line over here and paint a nose just like so. And then I'm gonna do a little dot over here, really tiny one. We don't want it to be too visible. I'm gonna start mapping out the eyes. So I'm going to just join up a line over here and kind of do a curved line from here, just like so. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm now going to do a couple of tiny lines just above the eye, like so. Okay. And I'm going to start mapping out the mouth. So I'm going to do again a slightly curved line. I'm going to map out the eyebrows. So press firmly and release pressure. You want the thicker part of the eyebrow to be the inner part, okay? Okay, I'm going to continue this line slightly more, just over here. Okay, and I'm going to start mapping out the hair. And Ariel's got like a little bit of a wave thingy going on over here. So I'm just going to map that out. Just got a little bit of an ear over here. And then I'm going to add a little bit of hair here too. And I'm going to start doing the neck. I'm going to do the bralette that she has. A little line over here, belly button. Right, so I've got most of aerial mapped out now. I'm going to pop this into the lamp and then we'll start filling in. Okie dokie, so I've prepped a little bit of Firecracker on our palette, as well as Steel Appeal, because that's one of the colors we're going to be using for the eye. And I've got Snow White, so I'm going to go ahead and fill in the eyes first. So I've got both eyes done, and I'm going to just fill in the midsection of the mouth. And then I'm going to pick up Firecracker and start painting where the hair is, just filling in that section. Got the eyes and the hair done. I could probably do the bralette that she wears kind of thing. So I'm going to be using this purple, which is called Mystic Breeze. I'm going to just fill in this section. And I'm probably going to take Steel Appeal again and just do the bottom section, because the bottom of hers is green, isn't it? I think.
Yeah.
That's a nice
she's
color.
a mermaid, so
No.
green's a go-to colour, I suppose.
Right, so she's got her cued over here, back into Steel Appeal, and I'm just going to paint the midsection of her eyes. So it's going to be a nice kind of tealy round shape. So I've done the eyes in green. I'm going to take Mermaid Tears. I mean, I was hoping I'd have a bit more of a background, but I don't. So I'm just going to fill in a little bit of the background here, because the body is slightly smaller. The waist is, so I want to make sure that it's visible. And then I'm going back into our Firecracker Red gel polish, and then I am just kind of filling in the lips. I'm going into Series Black and just kind of doing another section in the eyes over here. So we've got that done. And now I'm going to also add some eyelashes. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of outline that eye that we've done earlier. So here, just like so. Just like that. Lovely. I'm going to just go in with a little bit of Firecracker and just kind of add a little bit of like red tint to the eyebrows, because I think it will just make it slightly better. And now I'm going to take a little bit of a darker shade of purple, which is called, I think, Aviation.
Oh, that's a cool name.
It's a really cool name. And I'm just going to add a little bit more detail where the bra is. So I'm just gonna add a few lines here and there in a darker shade. Right, so she's cured over here. I'm going to pick up some a gorgeous red which is called Merlot, one of our new reds, and I'm just gonna like fill in some sections of the hair with a darker red just to give the hair a little bit more detail and shading. I think they'll look really cool. And then I'll add a little bit here as well. Lovely. And now I'm just gonna go in with Friar's Robe and just add a little bit more of a outline where I feel like it needs it, or if it needs any more definition. Do you know what I mean? To finish it up nicely. I'm also going back with Sugar Cookie. I feel like if I add a little bit on the neck, because I must have rounded it slightly too much, but that's okay, we can still fix it. I'm just gonna kind of add some color here and it will look better.
Who is your favorite Disney character?
There's a lot of them, and I'm really loving the new movies, like the newer movies, because they have a really good like moral. I learn a lot from watching those movies. But I do really like, I don't know.
I really like Stitch.
Oh
Really love
yes,
Stitch. I think
I
he's
should
cute.
do a tutorial for him.
Oh, that'd
So
be a
many
really
people
good
love him. Right, I'm gonna pop this into the lamp. And I think the black is also cured. So before I do that, actually, I'm going to take a white. I'm going to pick up some of my Snow White and just add a dot here. Right. Lamp. Now. So she's ready over here. She's looking real good. I don't know if to add some more white lines somewhere. Let me just see if something. I do think maybe I need to outline here. I do always tend to find something, guys. I do apologize. And this is it, guys, the final design. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. We've got our Disney series, so we've got like a few characters on already. If there's anyone in particular that you'd like to learn how to paint on a nail, then drop us a comment below. All the products for this video have been listed in the description. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all on the next one. Take care.